Gómez en la Vía Campesina, Yunorca, México.
La violencia la provocan ellos.
The violence is being provoked by them.
Los gobiernos industrializados y las corporaciones transnacionales.
The industrialized governments and the multinational corporations.
Porque es violencia cuando más de 1,000 millones de personas padecen hambre.
Because it is a crime when millions of people suffer from hunger.
Es violencia cuando más de 1,000 millones no tienen empleo.
Because it is violence when 1 billion people don't have work and employment.
Es violencia cuando más de 300 personas al año en el mundo mueren por efectos del calentamiento global.
Because it is violence when millions of people die because of climate change every year.
Es violencia cuando existen más de 30 millones de desplazados por el cambio climático.
Because it is violence when more than 30 million people are displaced because of climate change.
Y los campesinos venimos a decir, queremos el poder para decidir.
And the farmers are here to say, we want the power to decide.
It's a technical problem, I think.
No, just get closer. Just get closer to the mic. He's loud enough.
To the mic.
Yeah. Okay. Gracias.
Okay. Thank you.
Compañero, ¿quién eres?
Alberto Gómez. No tienes para qué gritar ahora.
Los campesinos venimos aquí a decir, queremos el poder para decidir.
The farmers, we have come here to say, we want the power to decide.
Put your mouth close.
Queremos el poder para decidir nuestro futuro.
In order to decide our future.
Queremos seguir existiendo.
We want to continue to exist.
Queremos seguir alimentando a la humanidad.
We want to continue to feed the world.
Y decimos, es nuestra agricultura, la agricultura campesina sustentable, una alternativa.
Sustainable farmers' agriculture is an alternative.
Es la soberanía alimentaria, nuestra propuesta, nuestra alternativa a toda la humanidad.
Food sovereignty is our alternative, our proposal to humanity.
Desde la vía campesina decimos, es la soberanía alimentaria nuestra alternativa al capitalismo y todas las crisis que engloba.
From Via Campesina we say that food sovereignty is the alternative to capitalism and its multiple crises.
Por eso, la soberanía alimentaria en nuestros países tendrá que ser el eje rector y estratégico a toda política agroalimentaria.
This is why food sovereignty is going to be the main axis for whatever is being decided in terms of agro policy.
A toda política comercial queremos la agricultura.
To all trade policy, we would like agriculture.
It doesn't work. He's not very good. The other one is not very good.
Queremos que sea la agricultura campesina la base de la soberanía alimentaria.
We want farmers' agriculture to be the basis of food sovereignty.
Porque los campesinos
Because the farmers
podemos emplear el planeta con nuestra agricultura.
sorry, ik ben...
From Via Campesina, we are greeting all of you here.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Hallo, Jack. Ja, super, hè. We zijn bezig met de People's Assembly momenteel. En ik ga je laten. Nee, nee, nog niet. Nog niet.
My name is Dave Blakeney. I'm a representative of the Canadian Union of Postal Workers, and I've noticed there's not a lot of union flags out here today, and there should be, because that's a real challenge for us. This is an historic opportunity to say loudly that our solutions won't be found in the violence, the war, the power, and the patriarchy of the markets that have robbed and killed so many of us. A violence that happens every day in increasing frequency. We don't want any deals with unwanted and illegitimate organizations like the International Monetary Fund. We no longer want to be accomplices to a system that's killing us all. We no longer want to be victims. We want to claim what's ours. We want to reject their greenwash. And we want to make space where future generations have the right to dream, have the right to be free. That's our duty. And labor power can do that. To smash market slavery, to smash market slavery now and create a free earth, a healthy earth, and that we no longer be accomplices to a system that's destroying us. Now more than ever, we can be products of creation and no longer follow a system that's going to kill us all sooner or later. We're in this together. We're in this now. This is a magical moment. We take every step, every day, every moment to take us into a future, a different future, and the trade unions must come out and must join this people's struggle so that we can reclaim our planet and our lives for ourselves and those who have not been born yet. The struggle continues, sisters and brothers.
There's another one here, right? Just in case.
Hello, comrades. We are your comrades from former Soviet Union. Louder. Okay, we are comrades from former Soviet Union. We represent diverse political, social, and environmental movements. We represent diverse political, environmental, and social movements from former Soviet Union. And we came here because climate change is not only environmental issue. Many of us have been fighting the system since before the collapse of Soviet Union. In the meanwhile, the system has changed. It lost all the winnings of socialism and adopted all the ugliness of capitalism and neoliberalism. Dictatorship of communism, state bureaucracy was replaced by dictatorship of TNC